Hello friends, Hattie here with Honeybee Stampers. I'm going live, an impromptu live, to share with you guys an ordering special that I have. So I kind of announced this I think I might have announced it on Sunday during happy hour. I might have mentioned it, and then I kind of talked about it again in the email that I just sent out recently to let you guys know about the clearance rack refresh that happened today. But now I'm hopping on to kind of show you what the special is so you guys will know. So here's our host code for this special. The special runs from today until the end of this month. So you've got a week, 1 week to take advantage of this. The host code is WDSYAZCS. So you'll see this is a different host code than what we have for our monthly host code. Okay. So make sure you pay attention to that, because when you enter this host code, that also lets me know that you're interested in this ordering special. So how the special is going to work is with every $75 order, and I say every, so if you place a larger order, for instance, if you do a $150 order, then you will be a host, which means that you wouldn't use this host code, and you would get free product as being a host, but you'll also get 2 of these packages that I'm going to share with you today. So it's a really, really great deal. So hopefully you'll pay attention to this one, because it's a good one for the end of April. All right, so let me start off by, before we jump into what's in these packages, let me just remind you that I do the Sunday videos, which is our happy hour. And last Sunday I shared these projects right here. This one's probably my favorite of the 3. I actually didn't demo this one, but I showed you how to create these little gold embellishments there using our gilded foil or gilded leafing. And thank you guys. A few of you got on and ordered the gilded leafing because you just loved it that much after seeing it. So that's really exciting. So then we've got this one here. This is the one I actually demonstrated on the live on Sunday. Here's another one kind of showing you a different technique there. This is the original design that I did, and then when I hopped off, I had to go back in and design something different because I actually didn't love the color combo that I did there. So I went back in and designed this, and then changed the design element just a little bit by turning that that layer of the gold, you know, to make it look like a diamond. Anyways, so those are the projects. If you're wondering about this, then go back and watch Sunday's video. The replay is up on YouTube already. It was emailed out to my email subscribers yesterday. What else? And it's also here on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook watching this, then you can just scroll down and see those. I'll post the still shots of these too so that you guys can remember. I actually did on our email, I actually did a little which one of these is your favorites poll. So a few of you answered me by replying, and I love that. So thank you so much. So there's that. Okay, now before we jump into this, I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I got my paper pumpkin kit in the mail, and I just wanted to open it up with you guys. I think that's fun, and I've heard some feedback that you guys like looking at it as well. So the ink spot that you get with this paper pumpkin, so this is the April paper pumpkin kit. Yep, and it says it right there, April. It's called Delicate Wings. The ink spot is basic gray. I don't think I have any basic gray ink spots, so that's great to have that. And then here is the photopolymer stamp that comes with it. Let's see what it says. Everything will be okay is one of the sentiments. Surrounding you with love is another sentiment. Sending loving thoughts your way. And then it's got some butterflies here and then some dots. You can never go wrong with just like a splattering of dots as a stamp set. So that's a great, great stamp set. And we open up our package. Let's see what we got. So here is the front of it. Let me grab some scissors to open it up. Paper Pumpkin will be increasing their pricing. They did announce that recently, so be aware of that. It's still such a great value for this all-inclusive card kit that you get in the mail once a month. And I love it. I know some people don't like surprises. I love it. I love waiting to see what they come out with and then getting it in the mail. And then let's take all of these out of here. Oh gosh, look at that. My friend Kathy actually sent me a text message and said that she's loving the paper pumpkin kit for April. So she just started subscribing, and I think it was probably for this kit. Okay, so this is from the front of the package, and what you see on the front is what's going to be in the kit. So we've got 1, 2, 3 different cards, and they are beautiful. Just looking at the picture here, look at the envelopes. Oh my gosh. And you can count that there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so you're going to get 9 cards in total. When you open this up, it gives you the step-by-step instructions on how to put this together. You guys, this is such a great gift to give, very unique gift to give, and it's so fun to just have. And if you're somebody who likes to travel, I'll leave that box there. If you're someone who likes to travel, then paper pumpkin kits are a great way for you to be able to craft on the go. So we've got these great little die-cut butterflies that are already colored for you. And then all these little tiny ones. So whenever I get a paper pumpkin kit, I usually will just punch out all of the perforated elements and put them in little plastic bags. So for example, this plastic bag right here, I'll take the tear and tape out. And if you watch Sunday's video, you know that tear and tape is one of the great adhesives that you could use with gilded leafing. So I would take that out, and then I would keep all of my little elements in this plastic bag. There we go. So I'll do that another time, but you'll also get a package of the to Stampin' Dimensionals, which is an adhesive I use all the time. And then this is so pretty. So I think that this is champagne foil. I'm not sure. I'll have to read. It looks a little bit gold, but it kind of looks like champagne to me. And then let's see. And then it's just kind of this looks like this is our new beige in color. Our new color that we got recently that will come out with the new catalog. And the new catalog goes live in May. And look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's got the foil. So this is one of the card bases. And it's got the foil detail on both sides. So it's not like one side is white and this is the front side. So you could completely get creative and cut this up to make multiple cards instead of using this as one card base. You guys, this might be the prettiest paper pumpkin kit I've ever seen. Like, look at that. And looks like this pops out. I'm not going to do anything with it yet because I don't know what you're supposed to do with this. So I'm always here for you. Let me see the front. What do I do with that? Oh, here it is. Let's see what it is. Okay, so it stays in there, but I guess you do pop out the wings on the side. You can pop them out and just glue the middle down so that it's kind of sticks out on your card. I love that. It's just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I hope you guys signed up for this paper pumpkin kit because it is beautiful. You also get this. This is the stamp set case, so in case you hang on to your stamp sets and you can keep them all together and keep them organized. Then you've got some of these elements here. Here's another card base, again, printed on both sides, so that's awesome. This definitely looks like champagne foil to me. And then this looks like a layer. And then here's another card base. Oh my goodness gracious. If you guys get on Pinterest and you even just Pinterest this particular paper pumpkin kit, you're probably gonna find a million beautiful alternate samples for this. I can only imagine. So these are also some perforated labels and whatnot. Okay, so that is very, very gorgeous. Hopefully you guys got this. What happens is after, so now that the ordering period is closed, what they do is they fill all the orders and then they see if there's anything left as far as extra kits. And then what they'll do is they'll offer it online. So keep looking online for this. They'll offer refill kits online. So it's called Delicate Wings. And then if they happen to have any full kits, which they don't always have full kits, that include the stamp set. But honestly, you guys, take my word for it. The pieces that are in here that you would get as the refill, you don't even need the stamp set. You could come up with your own sentiments. But the inside pieces right here are just too gorgeous not to get. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. All right, great. Now we've done that. I'm excited to have had a chance to look through that. It was sitting on my desk for a few days and I wanted to see it, and there we go. Okay, so now for ordering special for the end of April. So I will not be going live next Sunday because I will be out of town. So I'll try to come up with some kind of video of crafting video of some kind to maybe pre-upload. I don't know. Don't hold me to it. I'm going to try, and so that you'll be inspired on Sunday, even though I won't be live for happy hour. But I just wanted to give you a heads up about that. But through the end of this month, if you use this host code, place an order of $75 or more, and for every $75, you're going to get one of these. Okay, then you can choose from one of these kits. So I'm just going to kind of show them to you like this. They're going to be packaged up like this, but I'll show you each paper and each stamp set so you can kind of get a better look. And then here's another packaging in your words. So it's going to come with the paper and the stamp set, and then you're going to get a full embellishment, and then you're going to get some coordinating ribbon, about 2 yards of 3 different ribbons that coordinate. The embellishments and the ribbon may not be exactly as you see them here, but the stamp set and the paper will. These are past celebration items, and a lot of them are like $100 level celebration items, which means that you had to spend $100 to get this. And so you may not have done that, and you may have wanted this, and now's your chance to get this by placing an order with me. The host code, again, is very important for the order. Unless your order is over $150, then you'll automatically qualify for these kits. And anyways, let's go through this. Not only will you get your choice of one of these kits, and they're while supplies last, because I only have a handful of each of these. So if the first 4 people or 5 people choose Wonderful World, then I'll let you know that that one is gone and not available anymore to pick. Okay, so not only will you get those, you'll also get just a random stack of 5 hand-stamped cards from my stash. So I've got tons. I mean, this doesn't even scratch the surface of how many cards I have from different swaps that I do and stuff like that. So you will get a package of 5 cards also with your order. All right, here we go. Here's the first one. So this one is called Berry Blessings. You guys remember this one? I can't remember if this was a $100 level. I feel like it was, or this was 50 and this was 50, something like that. But you're going to get a half a pack of the Designer Series paper. So I'll just show you the patterns here. So bright and fun and just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful paper. And I'm sure if you get online for some inspiration, you're going to see lots of inspiration that has to do with the Berry Blessings celebration. So here is one choice, and so this will be kind of an idea of what you get. So you get the half a pack of paper, you'll get the stamp set, you'll get the ribbon, and then you'll get an embellishment of some kind. I'll try to coordinate the embellishments and the ribbon with the packs of paper and stuff as best as I can. The next one is the Punch Party. So this actual punch right here is the double oval punch. That's still available and it's discounted right now. So if you didn't get your hands on the double oval punch, let me grab mine. It's this one right here. So this double oval punch coordinates with these two right here. Okay, and then the heart punch coordinates with that. You don't have to have the punch for that, but anyways, just know that this is on sale right now. It's retiring, but that's what that coordinates with. So that might be a good item to put towards your $75. And then you're going to get this paper pack with it. Love that pattern. So pretty. Do you guys remember this paper? So, so pretty. I love this pattern too. So I think that's the same as the other one I pointed out. Let me see. Nope, it's actually different. I love that. Okay, so there we go. This paper, this stamp set are going to come together. You're also going to get some embellishments and some ribbon and such. So you're going to get a package like this. Plus, don't forget you get the 5 cards. The next one, when you email me to let me know that you've placed your order, I'll go in and check my host codes and check your order and everything like that. You just have to let me know the name of the stamp set that you're interested in, that package. So the next one's called A Touch of Ink. I know for sure this was a $100 level. I think this one was actually a $300 party, I believe, for this one, to get that for free. So this was a $100 level, or this might have been a $300. I can't remember. But anyways, it was really up there. It wasn't one of the $50 levels, but it's called A Touch of Ink. It's 2-step stamping. It's absolutely gorgeous. You'll also get this pack, half a pack of paper. Love that pattern. So cute. And actually, I think I grabbed a card. I did. So here's one of the cards. I just grabbed a stack of cards to show you that you're going to get 5 cards also with each order. So I use that paper for that. There's that. This, there you go. If I can find cards that coordinate with your choice that you did, I'll try to do that. But otherwise, it'll be 5 random cards. So you'll get a package that looks like this. So you'll get the half a pack of paper. You'll get the yards of ribbon. You're going to get an embellishment of some kind and the stamp set. So that's a touch of ink. The next one is called Wonderful World. So you'll get the stamp set, and here's the paper. And this paper actually coordinated with the stamp set. This was a very popular one. I think it had sold out at one point during Celebration and then came back. Look how pretty that is. You can make so many great cards with this. The stamp set doesn't have a sentiment to it, but I'm sure you have a sentiment stamp set in your stash, or you can purchase one. So shop online and see what's on sale. There's a lot of discounted stuff going on right now. Your package would look something like this. So you would let me know if this is what you wanted. Wonderful World, you get the paper, the stamp set, the embellishments, and the ribbon. And then my last one for this offering is the In Your Word stamp set. So this is a $100 stamp set level. I can't ever remember now. It's either $100 or it was one of the $300 host levels. But the sentiments are fantastic. Like, read these. So perhaps the stars are opening where the stars are openings where our loved ones shine down and let us know they're happy. And then it says, this one says, sending this card for no particular reason. I see you and you are wonderful. There is magic in every beginning. Happy birthday. I hope your day is fantabulistic, which is fabulous and fantastic all in one. Life is full of ups and downs. Hold on tight. I like this one. Your birthday came, your birthday went. Here's a card I should have sent. Okay, that one is worth this stamp set. And I'll tell you, I only have, I think I only have like 6 of these, I think. So if you want this one, grab it pretty quickly. Hope this card makes you smile and be who you were to be born. Why can't I read today? Be who you were born to be. There we go. Okay, so then we've got this paper that coordinates with it. Well, it doesn't necessarily coordinate with it, but it's just some really, really pretty paper that I feel like can kind of stand on its own. And you just add one of those beautiful sentiments to it, and you're good to go. So there you go. There's that. This is called In Your Words. And then here's the package that you would get with this. So some embellishments. And these embellishments here in particular are $50 level celebration embellishments from the celebration we just had in January and February. So, you know, this is worth $50. This was worth, well, we would say $25 because it would have been $50, but you're getting half a pack. Then you've got some ribbon. You got the stamp set that was probably worth $100 or $300. I can't remember. So that is the April special that's happening right now. Your choice of one of these packages, okay, with every $75 order. So if you place a $150 order, you'll be a host. You'll get additional host rewards. You will also get your choice of 2 of these packages. You will get a stack of hand-stamped cards. So you got 5 hand-stamped cards also. I'm going to randomly choose those. And that is our special. So check out all the discounted stuff that's going on right now, the retiring items. Know that come May, when the new catalog goes live, we're going to have some increases in some pricing as far as like envelopes, paper. There's a lot of things that are kind of increasing in price. I posted something about it here on my Facebook page, but maybe you want to stock up on some of that stuff so that you can save a couple bucks. Do that in April. Get a package or 2 or 3, get some free cards from me, and I would appreciate it so much. All right, so here's the host code. Let me know if you guys have any questions about it. I'll definitely be posting some pictures here in the Facebook group, and also sending out an email with a picture of each of these kits, okay, so that you can know which ones to pick. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk to y'all again soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.